In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add reviews to your Wix website quickly and easily. Whether you're a seasoned website owner or just starting out, showcasing reviews can be a powerful way to build trust with your visitors and provide social proof of your product or service. So let's dive right into these simple steps. First, you'll want to open your Wix website editor. Navigate to the editor for the specific site you want to add reviews to. This ensures you're working on the correct project. Once you're in the editor, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as this will make the process smoother. Next, look for the plus icon, commonly found on the left side of the editor. This little icon is your gateway to adding new elements to your site, and it's where much of the magic happens. Clicking it will open a drop-down menu with various options to enhance your site, so go ahead and click it. As you hover over the elements, locate the strip option. Strips in Wix are flexible sections that you can use to organize your content in a visually appealing manner. Hovering over it will allow you to see different types of strips that you can add. This step sets the stage for how your reviews will be displayed on the page. Once you're comfortable with the strip option, the next focus is on testimonials. Testimonials are pre-designed strips dedicated to customer feedback. Hover over the testimonials option to explore the templated designs that Wix offers. This makes it easy to integrate reviews aesthetically into your site without having to start from scratch. Now you'll need to select a template that best fits your site's design and your personal taste. Take your time to scroll through the various options. Each template is tailored to different styles and layouts, so you can choose something that truly reflects your brand. With the template added, it's time to customize the content. Click on the text within the strip, and a text editor will pop up, allowing you to edit what's displayed. Here you can input real customer reviews, or personalize the text to better suit your website's tone and message. Lastly, to make the testimonials even more authentic, you can click on Change Image. This action allows you to customize the images used alongside the reviews, possibly adding photos of the reviewers or branding elements. This personalization is key to making the testimonials resonate with potential customers. And there you have it, a streamlined process to add reviews to your Wix site using the Wix website editor. Following these steps will help your reviews look polished and professional, giving your site the credibility boost it needs. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on enhancing your website's performance.